Today we're talking with Chris Reilly, President of CIT Small Business Lending. Oops, Chris, maybe I better stop there. It's no longer CIT Small Business Lending. Tell me what's happening.
Well, it is, Bob. It's CIT Small Business Lending, a division of CIT Bank. We used to be operating as an SBLC, a non-bank SBA lender, and effective last week, March 23rd, which represented the culmination of, about 18 months worth of hard work, we transferred all of the employees and intellectual property of the SBLC into CIT Bank. So going forward, we will be operating as a division of the bank, and all of our loan originations will be out of the bank.
Tell me what that means. Any change in strategy? Any change in personnel? Is it more of a structural change, or is there a real change of direction?
Well, I don't think there's a change in there has been a change in strategy over the course of the last couple of years. We've been very focused on our portfolio mix, focusing more on real estate. I will say, being a part of the bank, we will have a mind's eye towards controlled growth and improved quality. I don't think that's necessarily unique to a lot of lenders out there today.
So, Chris, you're moving from one of 14 specialty lenders with a license to a bank. It's well documented. We know CIT took $2 billion in TARP funds, and that was written off in the reorganization. Any problem with you becoming a bank in lieu of that loss?
Well, I don't think it's any surprise to anyone. It's public information that as part of us becoming a bank holding company and going through the bankruptcy process, which we went in and out of in December of 2009 in about 35 days, we have a written agreement that the Fed has put in place with our parent company, and there was a cease and desist on the CIT Bank. But we've made a lot of progress over the course of the last year or so in terms of addressing the issues that were raised in those two documents. And I believe the fact that the regulators, including the FDIC and the SBA, approved the transfer of small business lending into the bank, indicates that we have made progress.
Sure,
and that
sure.
they're comfortable with where we are on that timeline.
You've just heard from Chris Reilly, President, CIT Small Business Lending, a division of CIT Bank. Chris, thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Bob.